Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub.
Welcome to the Autonomous Developers Playbook. This video will guide you from a beginner to a power user with Claude Code, showing you how to automate your development workflow. The core shift with Claude Code is moving from typing to orchestrating. Traditional AI focuses on autocomplete within a single file. Claude Code acts as an agent, working across your entire codebase, executing commands, writing code, and verifying its own output autonomously through testing. To get started, you'll need an Anthropic Pro or Max account, Node.js installed, and a terminal. Install Claude Code globally, navigate to your project, and type Claude to enter the command center. Begin by using init to scan your directory. The engine operates on the agentic loop. It begins by gathering context from your repository. Next, it acts by formulating and executing a plan to modify multiple files. Finally, it verifies its work, reading error logs, and adjusting until the task is successful. The professional workflow follows 4 steps. First, explore your codebase. Second, plan your architectural blueprint. Third, switch to normal mode to implement the plan. Finally, commit by verifying the differences and creating a Git commit. The project brain relies on 2 types of memory. Claude.md is manual, where you write prescriptive rules. Memory.md is auto memory, where Claude writes experiential, pattern-based notes, learning fixes and quirks, loading automatically for every session. Guard your token budget by managing your context window. Use the quote_clear command as a flush valve to erase history between unrelated tasks. Use the quote/compact command as a compression press to summarize long tasks without losing core context. Unlock advanced capabilities. Use plan mode for planning and research without file modification. Task lists provide a structured, persistent checklist for execution. The Explore agent maps architectures in the background, and background runs offer true parallel productivity. When interacting with Claude Code, speak like a tech lead, not a typist. Provide verifiable criteria, ask for hypotheses first instead of demanding immediate fixes, and delegate by defining the goal, not dictating line-by-line changes. Sub-agents isolate heavy lifting tasks, like investigating large repositories. By delegating a task to an Explore sub-agent, it runs in a separate context window, does the heavy reading, and returns only a clean, synthesized summary to your main window. Agent teams are a collaborative swarm. Instead of isolated sub-agents, you can spawn a team like a UX expert, back-end dev, and devil's advocate. They communicate, debate hypotheses, and coordinate to provide a verified fix, great for deep debugging. Skills enable reusable AI workflows. They bundle complex AI prompts, YAML front matter, and bash scripts into a single command. For example, /review-pr can spawn multiple review agents, check against Claude.md standards, and format a final report. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, bridges Claude Code to the outside world. It is an open standard that allows secure, structured access to external data, connecting to systems like GitHub, Jira, Notion, and Postgres. An AI-native project has a structured anatomy. Key files include Claude.md for human-written rules, Memory.md for auto-learned patterns, and Settings.json for configurations. The project also organizes custom workflows in the skills directory and custom team members and agents. You are now the orchestrator. Coding is about architecture and context management. Claude Code handles the mechanical translation. Focus on providing judgment, boundary conditions, and final approval. Your next steps are to initialize a project, prune your Claude.md file, and practice plan mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for practical AI.